Alright guys, so today we're going to do a video about some installations that we're going to do on the bike. So forgive me about the mess. But this time we're going to install the flare wings from Werks. I'm kind of impressed with the packaging. The packaging really looks great. I don't know if you can see, it seems really great. So what we're going to do is going to be installing this side as protecting the wind at the hand level, but well, I have high bars, so it's probably just going to be more aesthetic, covering a little bit, just a little bit more from the wind, but it looks pretty sick. But it's supposed to be to protect your hand from the wind a little bit better, and most likely, you know, kind of like an aesthetic kind of change. I like them. That's the reason I got them. So let's see how I install it. But I can say one thing is the packaging looks great. I haven't opened it yet. But what we're going to do is we're going to do the install. So let's open the box. Let's see. Ooh, wow. Yeah, the packaging is quite good, actually. Look at this. Looks really great. See? Looks pretty good. Installation instructions on the box. Right there. Printed copy, we can actually see the code over there. It's pretty good. Some history, flare wings, some stickers right there. Some of, oh yeah, I heard that they were adding this M3, so it seems that they're adding it as well, so that's pretty good. And then alcohol swaps, and then look at the packaging. It's insane. It's actually really good. The M3 thingies, that's pretty good, man. Looks quite impressive. The packaging is great. So what we're gonna do, basically, I'm guessing, use the alcohol swab to clean that one up, put some of that M3 to make sure that we make it dry for a couple minutes, and then put this together. But you know, we're gonna go through the entire process just so you guys can see it. But yeah, let's get this started. So this is the before. I just wanted to do a quick video on the before, and what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to install one and I'm going to share, but this is pretty much what it looks like with just the stock, what the stock bike looks like, as you can see. Then I'm going to put one, and then you can compare one side to the other. All right, step number one, we're going to take some of those alcohol wipes and we're going to make sure that we clean all the different parts in here. Make sure that nothing is sticky, dirty at all. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the alcohol swabs. Make sure we clean everything really clean. Put it all over the place. Clean it as much as possible with alcohol swipes. Recommend really get into it. Make it really clean. I'll swipe it up all with the alcohol swipes. Make sure everything is clean. That's going to remove any stickiness, any grease, finger grease, human debris, grease, whatever that's going to impact the glue and the M3. All right, next steps. Once it's really dry and the alcohol swipe was clean, what you're going to do is you're going to take the provided M3 primer, which is here, and there's a brown dot right there. We're going to crush it, and we're going to apply that on the borders where the M3 will stick, which is basically all the borders right here on top, all the borders on this side, all the way here, all the way, all over here. That's what we're going to do. We're going to give a thin coat of this. But first, we're going to crush it, and there you go. We crushed it. Now we wait. There you go. Primer is getting in. Cool. So now what we do, it's easy. Just apply a thin coat. All over the border and the top. All right, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna remove the little red tape and then put it in place. Make sure you have the run for the right side. remove the tape, and we're gonna put it together. We're gonna put it in that in placement and make sure we make sure that we hold it for a couple minutes. We're gonna need both hands, so I'm not gonna record that part, but just remove the red tape, put it in, and we'll see where it goes, how it looks like. All right, hope you can see the difference. I put it one on one side, but I haven't put the other one here compared to here. Basically, this is what it looks like. One end, the other end. Major difference. I don't know if you can see that, but it does look completely different from one end to the other. Look at this. Sticks out a lot, which is pretty cool. I like it. If you have for the front, I'm trying to get it straight forward so you can see. There you go. That's a big difference. I don't know if you're able to see that, but it's pretty big. Trying to put it as straight as possible. There's a big difference. I'm gonna put the second one so you can see the big difference between before and after. Here we go. Put the second side. Now you can see the big difference. You see it's pretty cool. There you go. It's a big difference, guys. Looks really more, it looks bigger, way bigger. Looks way bigger, looks really sick. I like it. I like how it looks like. Looks pretty good. Yeah. Fairly simple, really easy. That's how it looks like. Look at that. It looks really, it looks massive. I like the look. Gives like a really big look. Big ears like that it makes the bike feel bigger. There you go. Eccentric, but yeah, you can see it now. I'll take some pictures and videos tomorrow once we are outside. But you can see the difference. It looks amazing. I really love how it looks like. And it feels sturdy. Like, see, it doesn't move. It's like same quality as the regular, see, the regular thing. I like how it looks like. It looks pretty good. I love it. Same on the other side. I mean, the quality of the product, it's really amazing. And like, honestly, I really recommend it, guys. All right, I will show it tomorrow. I will take some footage tomorrow under the sun so that way you can look, you can see how it looks, but it's insane. I really love the look of it. All right, guys, so I took it out. So just so you can see it under the sun, how it looks like. The color and the materials, as I was saying, is like really close to the real thing, as you can see. I thought it was actually up, but no, it's still sticky. Pretty good. Looks great. As you can see, it's really sticked. All good. Here you can see it's actually really well sealed. Some places a little bit less, but seems to be sticky enough. Here it is, the other side as well. The other side's pretty good. Same thing, really well stick to it. Looks amazing, honestly. I do love it, how it looks like. I don't know if it changed the perspective on how the bike looks. I mean, to me, yeah, it does. Look, makes the fairing up top more bulky, gives it a little bit more of a big bike kind of feeling. But yeah, there you go, guys. What do you guys think? Looks amazing. Honestly, I love it. I really like it. As I was saying, on this perspective, doesn't look that bad. I know I have the handlebars, but it does make it feel, well, maybe because of the angle, it doesn't seem that bulky. Or it doesn't seem that it increased like the volume or the size of it, but maybe the angle of it. But on this side, it definitely makes it bigger. Like, look at this. Big difference. Anyway, love it. Really simple to put in. I really like how it looks like. Amazing, really easy product. The packaging was amazing, was really looking good. Easy installation, as you saw in the video. Pretty easy. Everything was pretty good, and it looks amazing. The packaging was fast, was really great. It came here really fast, so I really like it and enjoy it. I like how the bike looks. I don't think I would. I've been debating of adding, you know, the lower fairings, but I think just I like the look of it without the lower fairings. So the only reason I would like to have the lower fairings is so I can move these lamps to the bottom. I think that would be cool. And if I wanted to like add more sound to it, but it's pretty loud already, because I thought about putting the lowers and putting 2 extra speakers on it, but honestly it looks really great the way it is. And I'm looking to get a new bike as well to add to the collection. We're restarting to add multiple motorcycles and other toys, so I think instead of, you know, spending that money on the lower fairings, I'm just gonna get more money for parts on the new bike and the new project that I have. I'm actually thinking about getting a bike for the wifey and a Chief Sport, and then getting a Ducati again for myself. But we'll see, that maybe down the road next year once the economy is a little bit better. But so far, look at the bike. It looks amazing. It looks really great. I really enjoy it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, click a little bit put like on the video. That will help me a lot, help the channel. I'm gonna be uploading more content on the motorcycle as well, kind of like hangouts and little trips here in Texas. That's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be adding some of those, so that's why you can see I have like a camera mount here and then a camera mount over there. But yeah, pretty much. Hope you guys enjoy it. Hope you guys like the video. Subscribe, that would really help my channel. Click the little like button, that will help my channel as well. You know, we count on them to get, you know, more parts from the sponsors and stuff like that. So hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, put it on the comments. I will make sure that, you know, we respond as fast as possible. Until then, see you next time.